Hey everyone, it's Greg from Automobility Store, your trusted source for wheelchair-accessible vans and mobility solutions. If you're considering buying a used mobility van, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the top things you need to know before making that important purchase. Let's dive in. First, inspect the conversion itself. Is it a side entry or a rear entry van? Manual or powered ramp? Make sure the ramp deploys smoothly. If it's a power ramp, listen for grinding noises or signs of hesitation. These can indicate mechanical wear. Next up, compatibility. Does the van fit your specific chair and lifestyle? Measure the door height, interior clearance, and tie-down locations. You don't want to find out later that your power chair can't turn inside of the vehicle. You can also look at all the specifications that we provide on each vehicle listing. We do show you the door height, interior clearance, and everything you need to know. Like any vehicle, check the mileage and general wear. And remember, most conversions don't affect the engine, but it's still vital to test drive and listen for unusual noises. If you are not in our local Austin, Texas area, we will assist with a video call and answer any questions you may have. At Automobility Store, our vans don't come with the powertrain warranty by default, but we do offer warranty options for added peace of mind for certain vehicles. Ask us what kind of coverage is available from both the van and the conversion. And finally, buy from a reputable mobility dealer like ourselves. One that specializes in these vehicles, not just a general lot. At Automobility Store, we offer financing and our mobility specialists are trained to guide you through every step. Buying a used mobility van can be life-changing for the better. Just be sure to look out for these key factors. If you have any questions or want to see what's in stock, give us a call at 800-431-3183 or visit automobilitystore.com. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mobility tips and vehicle walkarounds. Thanks for watching.